guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use promo code in Foodpanda. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, the first thing we need to do here is we need to open up the Foodpanda mobile app. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to open up our delivery. In this case, go ahead and click on food delivery. Now from here, we need to choose from the available stores here, where in this case, we want to basically make our order. In this case, let's go ahead and close this up. And from here, we want to choose one of the following stores. Let's go and choose this one. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to add items into our cart. So for example, I've already added this burger. Let's go and add this fries here. In this case, let's go choose our sizes. So in this case, let's go choose the fries itself. And from here, just click on add to cart. In this case, go ahead and click on the view your cart at the bottom of your screen. And from here, in this page here, you should be able to see a section that says apply a voucher. In this case, what you need to do is just click on apply a voucher here, and it should show you all the available vouchers on your account. In this case, if you want to use the Eat Now voucher here, you can go and click on apply now. But if you have a code that you want to use, go ahead and just type on the enter a voucher code here and enter the code itself. And from then on, once you've entered it, just click on apply and see if it's actually available for your account. Now, just remember that there are certain conditions on specific promo codes, so make sure that you actually meet those before you'll be able to use them. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.